I'm here with the builder, Mr. Timothy, one of the builders of this house. Mr. Timothy, please kindly tell my viewers, my investors, my clients about the features of this 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a security house and a boys quarter.
Yes, thank you very much. As you can see from here, you can see a swimming pool right there, and there is a gym towards this end. It's a 5-bedroom duplex. Has a well-fitted kitchen. As you can also see from the environment, it can contain not less than 10 cars. There is space for generator, and as you can see, the environment is very friendly, and all the materials that are used here are very superior in terms of quality, and I can recommend it to you because
it looks top terrace.
yes, you can see a terrace there, the balcony has a steady view. You can play around with space.
A cinema.
Then there is a home cinema.
Wow, this is too good. In Omole Phase 1. First, I want to thank you. I would want my viewers, my investors to just tour this house. Let's just tour the house and see the beauty. How spacious the rooms are, the cinema, the finishing of this house is superb. It's a top notch. And you already said, Mr. Timothy already said, this can take about how many cars a day?
10.
10 cars.
Minimum.
So let's go. Let's see the swimming pool, then we'll see the view. One of my clients that just bought a property from us saw this house. I sent the house to him. He bought something close to this house and he was like, oh, I wish I bought this house. I wish I bought this house. The client is capable. The clients can afford the house. And we were like, okay, sir, you've already bought that one. That is meant to be your own house. And this is meant to be for someone else, because the one he bought is also very fine, very nice. But you see this house, who is gonna be the owner of this house? Who is gonna be the owner of this house? The finishing of this house, everything about this house is very delicious. Let me use the word delicious. Come with me, let's tour this house. Let's do it 360, then we'll go into the house, then we'll continue the gist from there.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia.
Queen of real estate,
Yeah,
best land and property.
yeah,
Queen of real estate,
yeah.
best land and property. In Island,
In a
Mainland, little land,
oh yeah.
in Island, Mainland, little land, oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia.
So far, what do you think about this house? Is the house not lovely? Is it not nice? Yeah, okay, this is the maid room. From here we'll be going to the house, the main building of the house. So if you notice something about this house, everything about this house is of premium quality. Everything used in building this house is premium. So this is your private meter for the house, and you know this is Omole Phase 1. There's always 24 hours light, except it's a general issue. So welcome to your home. This is the ante room, spacious. Judge this house yourself for George Jam. This is the visitor's toilet. Are you seeing the what's it called again, the screeding, the finishing of this house. So this is the sitting room. We have one upstairs. Let me show you the sitting room very well. This is, we can actually call this a virtual inspection for those of my clients that are asking, they want a complete house where they can get swimming pool, gym, security house, rooftop terrace, private cinema, and so on. So that's the dining area, spacious. The house is perfect. The house is beautiful. The house is, there's this feel about this house. This house is German. The house is just everything beautiful. If you ask me, I'll say for the price, it's not bad, it's okay. The house is selling for 550 million, 550 million. But the owner is saying if there's a buyer that comes now, he's going to do it for 530 million naira. Yes, that is what he said. So I'm sure you've actually taken a look of the sitting area and the dining area. So let's go to the kitchen. Let's see what is cooking, what's popping in the kitchen. But this house is fine. Everything about this house is ubunge. The house is sweet. The house is lovely. So we have there's a pantry room. There's a pantry space rather, and there's a washing space. So this can serve as your laundry. There's another place for pantry. So this is the kitchen. This can serve. This door takes you out. You can decide to close the laundry door facing the kitchen and leave the outside one. So this is our beautiful, spacious, fitted, well crafted kitchen with your middle island. Yes, permit me to use that word. Comes with your burner, your extractor, your gas cooker, yeah, your microwave, and the rest. The kitchen is beautiful. So this other place where I just passed, that's the pantry. This kitchen is saying, how do you want it? How do you need it? This is the chef's kitchen. This is a dream kitchen. Very spacious. You can move around. You can even dance around. Put a mini TV there. While you're cooking, you're just watching, not serious cooking like frying. While you're boiling your meat, you can be watching something. The house is nice. The house is beautiful. You should be buying this, You should be buying this because it's this house, the feel of it. The feel of it is everything beautiful. You should come see it. You should come see the view, the entrance of this house. Then you would know that yes, you have arrived. I have arrived. That's what this house is saying. So, can we quickly see the other part of the house? Okay, see the stairs. Very easy to climb. It's short. The climbing space is short, not stressful. The stairs is of good quality. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? So this is your sitting room upstairs, spacious. Like, you don't have to go downstairs with this sitting room here. You don't have to go downstairs. You just, I don't want to go downstairs. I just want to stay here. You give it you call the best interior in town. Let them finish work for you there. You understand? You feel me? Okay. Let us quickly see. Sorry, our cinema is dark because they've not fixed the lights. So, my people, I need them. Make una forgive me. But you know that this cinema is fine. All you need to do is just bring in whatever you're bringing in. Then you can have the best time. So let's quickly rush and see the rooms so that we can leave you to what you're doing. So these are the rooms. They are spacious. They are fine. I'm rushing it because I don't want the video to be too long. I don't want to keep my viewers, my investors in here or on here, sorry, for too long, so we'll just see the rooms. But I'm telling you that the rooms are nice, they are spacious, they are beautiful. If you see it, you will know. If you, as you are seeing it, you're supposed to know. So let's check the master bedroom. This is the box room. So this is a mini kitchen. There's a mini kitchen for you. And this house is too much now. This house is 100 over 100. You don't have to go downstairs. You just make something, warm your food. You understand? This is another room. Just eat what you want to eat, man. Is it downstairs? You can cook and bring it upstairs and say, okay, I'm not going downstairs today. Stay here, walk up, because there's a study room, there's a cinema for you. This is complete package. So we are slowing down here because we are gisting. If you must buy this house, if you love everything about this house, then you must come and see it and buy it, or send a representative. We are here to guide you. We are here. You can trust us with anything. We have sold houses for clients that we've not seen, and when they came back, they were happy with it. So we are your go-to realtor. You can bank on it. So I think this is Madam's room. The room is big and it's spacious as well. So we are leaving it here because I think we're too fast. So you can just take a feel of it and see it. We are moving. So if you like this house, please don't let it slip out of your hand. The owner said it's 550, but if there's a buyer, it's going to do 530 million. This house is in Omole Phase 1, and everything about this house is in check. It's 100% for you and your loved ones. But truthfully, the prices of houses are really going up. So if you must buy now. Don't say, oh, their price is going to reduce, the price will be slashed. Sometimes, yes, that is our prayer. We want the price to reduce. We want the price to be slashed so that our clients can buy, so that we'll be happy, and our clients will be, most importantly, our clients will be happy, because their happiness is our happiness. So if you must buy now, because the price of things are going up. The dollar rate is not smiling, and you know most of the things we buy through dollar. So it's actually advisable to just say that, okay, you are buying and you know you've bought and you've closed that chapter for now until you decide to buy another home. Excuse me. Or you decide to make another investment like land and the rest. So we are almost done. We are getting there. So this is the bathroom. Very nice, clean, pure finishing, immaculate, very nice. If you ask me, I'll tell you this house has all it takes. That if you are buying it, you are going to be happy that you are buying something that is 100 over 100. I know the house is expensive. Yes, it's expensive, but the house, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. Very, 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 is worth it. So the master bedroom, all the rooms are spacious. The house is spacious. The house is a very good one. So if you are looking to buy a house and you have the money and you want it all, this is the one. You should be calling me to buy this house. Are you seeing the wardrobe? Are you seeing everything about this house is top notch? It's more than top notch. Yes, let me use the word, is more than top notch. Yes. So this is it. I think I'll just stop here and leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. So this is the master bedroom. Very spacious. The walk-in closets, enough closets for Oga and Madam. And we have 2 master bedroom, one for Madam, one for Oga, which is very close to each other. So this is it. How do you like it? How do you want it? How do you feel? The house is nice. And the view is okay. So just give me a call. 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 So we can. It's just the houses like this. They are not much. They're just few in the estates. Very scanty. You just see like 3, 2, and they are buying it. They are buying it. They are really, really buying it. So I would advise you just make it quickly, so we can quickly seal the deal for you after every verification has been done. Thank you for watching.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia.
Queen of real estate,
Yeah,
best land and property.
yeah,
Queen of real estate,
yeah.
best land and property. In Island, Mainland, little London, oh yeah. In Island, Mainland, little London, oh yeah.
So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia. So you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house, contact Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia, 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 contact Madam Cecilia.
Queen of real estate,
Yeah,
best land and property.
yeah,
Queen of real estate,
yeah.
best land and property. In Island, Mainland, little London, oh yeah.